We'll now proceed for the welcome address for the conference inauguration ceremony. May I request Mr. Vivek Mathur to please deliver the welcome address. Mr. Vivek Mathur.
Thanks to the team. Gives me great pleasure to bring for you the first Agile Testing Days and welcome you to that. The starting of the conference. Just wanted to talk very briefly about StepN Forum, about Agile Testing Days. So, as you know, StepN Forum started in 2003. The first conference was held in January 2003. So it's been a long time working as a representative for all of us in the software testing field. In the course of these years, it has moved forward, keeping in line with the trends happening in the software testing industry, keeping track of what's coming, making sure that all of us were ready to tackle the challenges in our day-to-day work. And in fact, if you have attended these StepN summits, you would know that typically what we talk about is about 2 years ahead of when it really hits you, when the wave hits the testing community. So one of the main changes that's been happening is the move towards Agile. Understanding that you cannot predict into the future what's going to happen, what the customer requirements are going to be, what the business environment is going to be, and the need to align software to the business needs means that you got to be able to respond faster. You cannot think in advance and then deliver to what you've thought. And that's been a major shift, and we are seeing it, percolating every aspect of software. Every company is impacted by it. All of you are here because it has had some impact, some effect on your day-to-day work. So StepN is proud to bring forth for you the first Agile Testing Days conference in Asia. I cannot think of a better organization to have done it. Cannot think of a better venue. Cannot think of a better collaborator, because Agile Testing Days is one of the biggest Agile-oriented conferences in Europe. And it's good to see it coming to India, coming to Bangalore, coming to a collaboration with StepN Forum. So, welcome everyone. Hope you have interesting 2 days of the conference. The first day, the tutorials happened yesterday. If some of you have attended that, you would have hopefully gained some practical advantages, some practical knowledge, some practical learning from that. I'm just going to move forward and talk a little bit about, what you should expect in the next couple of days. So, I'm removing the word Agile from Agile Manifesto and adding Agile Testing Days Manifesto. What does that mean? Agile Manifesto, we value individual interactions over processes and tools. What does it mean for Agile Testing Days? Talk to your neighbor, okay? Even if you've not been introduced. And if you're sitting in your company groups, please disrupt yourself. Talk to somebody whom you've never met before. Interact, get a different viewpoint. This is the time, this is the opportunity to do that. We like working software over comprehensive documentation. Use these 2 days to understand the concepts and understand how you can apply them in your work, in your day-to-day life, okay, to benefit your own company. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Challenge the speakers. Okay, they're learning, you're learning, you can help them learn, they can help you learn. If you do not ask questions, they go away with what they entered, and you go away with what you came with. And you only get to hear what they have said. You have not really understood what they meant. Responding to change, make new friends, learn something new. Okay? 2 days, make new friends, do not sit in your own groups, interact. StepN Forum is a great place to interact. All our conferences are great opportunities to interact. Make sure you take that opportunity. Okay? And then, of course, the usual stuff. Get the StepN app, vote for the best speaker, and tweet. Be active on social media. You can get your voice heard, and you can enhance the experience for everybody who's here and who has not been able to make it here. Okay? With that, once again, welcome to the conference. Have a productive 2 days. 2 days from your work in an agile context is actually a long time. Make sure you get the value out of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vivek Mathur, for enlightening us with the journey of StepN Forum and also what the audience can look forward for in the 2 days of conference that we are going to begin in a short span of time.